Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Gemini 8 sign for the month of October, your person current feelings and actions. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Gemini, let's see your person current feelings. The month of October. 6 of Pentacles, 2 of Pentacles, 2 of Cups, wow. Okay. Queen of Wands. They want to offer equal give and take in this connection. In past, maybe they couldn't. So now they want to offer equal give and take in this connection. And your person is very passionate about you and they stand by their power. Your person could be Sagittarius or you could be. They stand by their power now and their confusion is ended. Definitely in past, there could be juggling between things, between you and your other person, between you and their career, but they choose you definitely because 2 of Cups here, you both love each other, so that's why your person want to offer equal give and take. So these are their current feelings. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energies here as Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Aries, Leo, Sag. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Gemini. Ace of Swords, 8 of Pentacles, wow, lot of earth energy. 7 of Wands, 3 of Cups, wow. They want, I think they want to communicate you, they want celebration with you, they want to work on this relationship. Definitely you will get some communication, truth coming out. Ace of Swords, they want new beginning with you and they want to work on this relationship this time very seriously, because 6 of Pentacles and 8 of Pentacles, definitely there is progression, 6 to 8, and definitely it is slow but stable, and they don't want to give up on this connection even though they know there are obstacles in this connection. And the 3 of Cups, definitely they want reunion and reconciliation with you if you are in separation. So your person actions towards you, definitely they will communicate you and they will express their feelings and they want to work on this relationship. So let's see, let's pull some more cards from the universe regarding the connection. Gemini. Yeah, 5 of Pentacles, separation, King of Swords, 6 of Cups, the Hermit. Yeah, I think one person in this connection is in hermit mode. Definitely they are awakening. And 5 of Pentacles, for some there is separation also, but reconciliation card is also here. 6 of Cups, definitely you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Definitely you both want reconciliation, because these cards regarding connection, one person is very clear and they got clarity. So in separation, I think you both are awakened. You both are spiritually awakened and you both want reconciliation. Definitely those who are in separation, there is a chance for reconciliation with your person. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. All signs are here, but lot of water energy and earth energy is here, Gemini. So definitely your person want reconciliation with you and they want to work on this relationship seriously. So you want to give another chance to your person. It's up to you. Definitely your person want to take this relationship to next level. So this is the reading for you, Gemini. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.